All right, today we're looking at the Sony BRAVIA 46-inch Z Series television. Now, the Z Series is the pinnacle of the Sony line. It's got a 10-bit panel. That means it's got 2 more bits than most other panels. It's going to give you an extra 1,000 colors of graduation, 1,000 levels of graduation. It gives you the absolutely clearest image you could possibly imagine, and the contrast ratio on here is incredible. 100,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio on this 240 hertz panel. Now, 240 hertz means it's refreshing 4 times faster than a standard LCD. That's going to give you incredibly clear pictures, especially when it's fast-moving stuff. So if you like to watch sports and football, when guys are moving really fast across the screen, it's going to still look completely crystal clear sharp as things move across. Now, this TV is also enabled with the BRAVIA Internet, which means that you can load different types of widgets onto the television that will give you weather, sports scores, and news on the fly in real time. It also features a ton of connectivity because this thing actually has 4 HDMI ports. That's right, 4 now. Back in the days, TVs had 1, and then they had 2. Now they have 4. On top of that, it still has components and composites, and it has a VGA input. So if you want to hook up a home theater PC or any PC to this television, you can with no problem whatsoever. Now let's take a look real quick at what's on the side panel of this TV. Now on the right hand side, you have your controls, basically power, channel, volume, your input, and your home buttons. But over here on the left side, check this out. You got some really good stuff. Including multiple HDMI inputs. Now, most televisions have the inputs on the back, but this Sony has a really interesting setup. It has 3 HDMI ports over here on this side, which is absolutely incredible. It also has a composite port and an S-video port, as well as the PC in, all on this side, and a USB 2.0 port, which can actually look at pictures and music. Now, on the back of this thing, that's where you have the majority of the connections. You have your Ethernet port right here, which, like I mentioned, you can put BRAVIA Internet link in, and basically you're going to be able to do weather, sports scores, and news. You also have 2 component inputs, which will do 1080i HD video in here. You also have audio, and then, of course, your final 4th HDMI port, as well as an SPDIF digital audio out. Now, on top of all that incredible connectivity that's already built into this, you also have built-in tuners. That means that the TV can change channels by itself without having a dedicated cable box, and this TV has every single tuner that you could possibly have. It has an NTSC tuner, an ATSC tuner, and most importantly, a clear QAM tuner. That means that if you don't have a cable box and you're just using regular cable, you can plug it directly into the back of the TV and change channels with just that. So, an incredible TV, the Sony BRAVIA Z Series. This is the 46-inch version. It's connected to the web. It's got a 100,000:1 contrast ratio, and of course, the most important part, that 240 hertz refresh rate is 4 times faster than a standard TV. Absolutely incredible. If you have any questions on this 46-inch Z Series BRAVIA, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Sony KDL46Z5100 46-inch LCD TV, type in S190-4626 into any major search engine. For Computer TV, I'm Albert.
Thank you.